In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook ads data into Google Sheets using Supermetrics. We'll start inside Google Sheets and walk through connecting your Facebook ads account so you can pull live data straight into a spreadsheet. Begin by opening a Google Sheets file. It can be a brand new sheet or an existing report where you want the data to appear. With the sheet open, go to the top menu and choose Extensions, then Add-ons, and click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find trusted tools that extend Sheets. In the search bar, type Supermetrics and select the Supermetrics add-on from the results. Click Install. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account and approve the required permissions. These permissions let the add-on run within your spreadsheet and connect to your marketing data sources securely. Once installation finishes, return to your sheet and open Extensions again. You'll now see Supermetrics in the list. Click Supermetrics, then Launch. A sidebar appears on the right. This is where you'll build and run your data queries. In the sidebar, click Create New Query. Under Data Source, select Facebook ads from the list. Supermetrics may prompt you to log in to Facebook. Use the Facebook account that has access to the ad accounts you want to report on. If you manage multiple businesses or pages, Supermetrics will ask you to choose the business pages and specific ad accounts to use, so you're only pulling data from the right places. Complete the authentication flow. You'll have the option to make the connection shared or private. Choose Shared if teammates who use this spreadsheet also need to run the same connection, or choose Private if it's just for you. You can change this later if your needs evolve. Once you're connected, you're ready to build queries that pull Facebook ads data into the sheet. In the same sidebar, you can choose what you want to see, such as date range, campaigns or ad sets, and metrics like spend, impressions, clicks, and results. Start simple so you can confirm the data looks right and then expand your selections. When you run the query, Supermetrics writes the results into your spreadsheet. Formatted in rows and columns, you can sort, filter, and chart. If you run into access or empty data issues, double-check you're logged into the correct Google and Facebook accounts and that the selected ad account truly has data for the date range you set. That's all there is to it. You've connected Facebook ads to Google Sheets with Supermetrics and can now build clear, up-to-date reports right where you work.